The Supreme Court prepares to hear the case of pro-life pregnancy centers in California that claim the state is trampling on their right to free speech. Correspondent Jason Calvi breaks down the case. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. The justices will hear oral arguments in this case in exactly 1 month. The issue at stake is a California law forcing crisis pregnancy centers to share this message with clients. It contains information about state-funded contraception and abortion. Now, the lawyer for the pro-life centers tells me that violates their constitutional rights as well as their mission.
They're there to help. They're help to encourage women to bring their children to term, etc. So they're not tricking them or forcing them to do anything wrong. It's the state of California that's doing that by forcing the pro-lifers to announce their pro-abortion message.
Jordan Lawrence is an attorney with Alliance Defending Freedom, a Christian law firm. They represent the group of 135 pro-life centers in this case. Now, California's Attorney General Javier Becerra argues the disputed law is an important protection for pregnant women and lets them know they can get free or low-cost abortions. More than 140 members of Congress filed a brief in support of the pro-life centers. The list includes House Majority Leader Kevin McCarthy of California and one Democrat, Congressman Dan Lipinski of Illinois. A decision is expected right here by June. Lauren?
Jason, what are the chances that the crisis pregnancy centers will win? I know it's hard to predict.
Exactly. Attorney Jordan Lawrence, who we just heard from, tells me he hopes every single justice will actually side with them. He points out that the Supreme Court has again and again rejected government attempts to force people to speak the government's message against their conscience.
Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi at the Supreme Court. Thank you, Jason.